This is my first ever grill, and just a perfect way to get started on cooking with a barbecue. You could put it on the stand or you can detach it, but the whole thing looks really nice put together. It looks really sleek. You put your propane bottle down here, and then you untighten it to run the gas. Then you turn on with this dial right here, and then you press this red button to start the flames. And with this knob over here, you can adjust how big or small that flame is, making it hotter a lot faster or just kind of keeping it warm. You put this tray down here to catch all the grease, and then you dispose of it properly. And there is a nice grill on here that you can detach to clean it, but it gets nice and hot, and you put your food on here and then you can close the lid and it gets even hotter. There are foldable sides that you can put inside of here when you want to transport it, but also you can rest your plates or trays, and that's really about it. It's not too complicated, which makes it perfect for your first grill or just a slightly portable grill if you're going camping. I love it, and it also makes a great gift too, so I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.